I have a confession to make. I hate Excel. I know it is important for business, but looking at those tiny grid lines hurts my eyes. And remembering formulas like VLOOKUP or pivot table, it gives me a headache just thinking about it. Here is a situation we all face. You come back from a trade show or a networking event. You have a list of potential clients, but it is a disaster. Some are written on business cards. Some are in emails. Some are in WhatsApp messages. John Smith, CEO of ABC Corp. Manager Kim Samsung Electronics. Bosin 1234. Mike from Tesla needs steel parts. It is a mess. The formats are all different. In the past, I would spend hours copying and pasting this into columns manually. It was boring, slow, and I always made mistakes. But today, I don't do data entry. I let my AI do it. Don't open Excel yet. Open ChatGPT or Claude instead. Think of AI as your smartest data clerk. You just need to give it the raw data and a command. Here is the magic prompt I use. Copy your messy text and type this. I have a messy list of leads. Organize this data into a clean table. Columns needed: name, company, role, email, and phone. If information is missing, leave it blank. Format all phone numbers to international standard. Watch what happens! In less than 5 seconds, that garbage text turns into a perfect, beautiful table. John Smith goes to the name column. ABC Corp goes to the company column. It even fixes the phone number format automatically. Now the final step. Just ask, give me this as a CSV file. Download it, open it in Excel, and you are done. No formulas, no VLOOKUP, no headache. Data entry is for interns. Data strategy is for CEOs. Stop wasting your brain power on formatting cells. I have shared this formatter prompt on my blog. Click the link, copy it, and leave the office early today.